Yo! What's good, YouTube? What's good, baby? We back outside. Listen, this is a little different, man. I wanted to show y'all this. So I went down to the Keys, man. I didn't buy any bait. I just wanted to throw some artificial. It wasn't happening. So I was like, let me go back up my way and see what I could get into. So I was like, I remember I did a video on going to Biscayne National Park. And when I went to Biscayne National Park, I drove by some waterways. And before you got to the park, man, and this is the most clear water I've ever seen in a water, like in fresh water. I'm gonna show y'all the things, like y'all look at this. I don't know if y'all can really see it on camera how clear this water is, but this water is crystal clear. This water is crystal clear. You're not sneaking up on no fish doing this. You ain't sneaking up on nothing right here. All right. Man, this water is crystal clear. You see what I'm saying? And man, it's amazing. You know what I'm saying? I want to throw some line in here. I see some fish. I'm gonna try to throw some line and see what we can do. But man, this water is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And if you look up, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it. That's the Homestead Speedway. Homestead Speedway is right there. You know, just up right there. Hey, shout out to my dog Ben Drummer, just past Keys Gate. I'd never seen it before. You know what I'm saying? Hey, listen, I saw a lot of new development, my peoples. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful developments down here in Homestead. They are developing Homestead. The cost of living, not living, but the cost of a home is probably a little bit less than if you're in the Miami, Hollywood, Fort Lauderdale, Pembroke Pines area. Man, it's beautiful though. I'm not even gonna sit here and lie to you what I've seen, some of the new developments that I was seeing. Man, it was just absolutely beautiful. But like I said, man, check this thing out. Hey, they say you can can you put the GoPro? Can I put this GoPro in the water? I want to put it in the water, but I'm scared. I want to put it in the water, but I'm scared. But yeah, man, let's I'm under attack by bug. Yeah, but we're gonna throw some line in here, man. I got some worms. Hey, them worms been there for 3 days. I got some worms. I'm parked on the side of the road. Hopefully the police don't come mess with me. But I want y'all to see this crystal clear water, man. Let's see what we can do in this crystal clear water. Hey, man, shout out to Miami Country Day girl basketball. You know what I'm saying? And, hey, and all the new subscribers, all the old subscribers, all the support the channel be getting, man. I appreciate y'all. You know what I'm saying? Hey, stupid mistake going to the Keys today. Let me tell you something. The traffic was crazy coming back, and people were actually trying to go. Today's Sunday before President's Day, so I guess everybody trying to have a little vacation. Nothing wrong with a little vacation. Or vacation. Is it vacation or vacation? Either way. All right, let's see what we can do in this crystal clear water. I really want to go to that side. I really want to go to that side. That's what I want to do, man. But yeah, man, there you go. Crystal clear water, y'all. Hey, the alligator can't sneak up on you in here. Hey, you can't sneak up on me here. Man, the thing is beautiful. Man, the thing is beautiful. I really never see nothing like this. This is the only place I know like this. So yeah. All right, let's go. Let me get set up. There's a lot of fish here. There's fish here, man. There's fish here. I could see some fish, man, but I'm saying they can see me too. And I'm sure they've seen a lot of line. All right, so I'm gonna set y'all up, man. So I took my bobber off, right? I took the bobber off, right? And what's happening is, man, there's a grass. That grass under the water look like it might be 6 feet tall. It might be 6 feet tall. And so the fish are coming out of it, man. There's a ton of fish coming out of it. But these fish are, they're line shot. I could tell they just chilling. They're not even trying to bother this thing. I may have to throw the line down away from me. I may have to throw this thing away from me. Yeah, I may have to throw it away from me. They not bothering this thing. Somebody gonna bite it though. I'm not even tripping. Somebody gonna bite it eventually. Somebody gonna bite it eventually. Somebody gonna bite this thing eventually. But this thing is crystal clear, folks. YouTube, they not buying this thing, man. They're not buying it. I don't know why. And I see fish. They look at it. This water is clear. They're probably used to seeing people and associating that with lines and all that. This is weird, though. This is weird. I got to figure this out. I'll be back. Man, we out on the spot on the damn alley, man. So, hey, so if you seen the last video, you saw how excited I got about that white bait. The curl tail. Not paddle tail or buck tail, the curl tail. All right, it's a curl tail grub or worm. So I ordered some, but I have a white bait here. I wanted to go out here and see if that was just luck, fluke, whatever it may be, and I want to see how many fish I could catch. You know what I'm saying? And then I'm gonna cook up the tilapia, the spotted tilapia that I caught in that last video. Let's see how many. I'm gonna run this thing for an hour straight. I'm gonna see how many fish I catch an hour. All right, I'm gonna start my time right now. I'm gonna fish for 1 hour straight and see how many fish I catch in that 1 hour. All right, so I'm gonna run this video the entire time. I'm only gonna fish for an hour. And that's it. 1 hour fishing with my grub. All right, I'm not gonna turn it off. Not gonna do anything. With my little alligator buddy. All right, here we go. Yeah, the water looks fantastic. All right. Now the difference is I had a lighter line and I was able to get to the other side. I was able to get to the other side with my cast. This line is thicker. Fish on. All right, so that's that fish number one. That fish number one on the white bait. All right, fish number one on the white bait. We're trying to see how many fish we can catch in 1 hour. That's one. All right, so that's two. See, they're gorging themselves. Got two on the white bait. Trying to see if I can catch 50 fish. 50 fish in an hour. So we catch 50 fish in an hour. All right. We're at 3 minutes and 10 seconds. 50 fish in an hour. This line is too heavy for this jig head. All right. So we're up to 3. Oh man, gorged himself. Three fish. All right, let's see. We're trying to see how many fish we can catch in an hour. Oh, good fish, good warmouth. Oh yeah, good warmouth. Nice little warmouth. All right, so this is number 5. It's number 5, nice fat little warmouth. I say warmouth is a mix between a bluegill and a bass. Nice little warmouth. So that's 5. 5 fish, 7:15. 5 fish, 7:15. So decent little sunfish. Decent sunfish here. That's a decent one. That's 6. 6 fish, 9 minutes. 9 fish, warmouth. This is a dark one. Dark warmouth. It's a dark little warmouth. 11, 10 fish or 9 fish. I forgot how many fish that is. Is that 10 fish or 9 fish? 9 fish, 11 minutes. 9 fish, 11 minutes, I believe. Nice little warm out. Nice little warm out. $11 fish, 12 minutes. Nice little warm out. Oh my God. All right, 15 and 16 and 20. All right, that's a warm out. Oh man, he can go with that thing. Nice little warm out. Nice little warm out, y'all. Nice little warm out. Nice little warm out. 16 and 20, 27. 16 and 20, 20. I need one right here. 16 and 20, 27. I need one right here. Oh. 17. 17 and 20. 21. 18. Is that 18? Or is that 19? We'll go 18. 18. In 1 hour, how many will I catch? I'm at 18. In 1 hour, how many do you think I'll catch? In 1 hour, we're at 21 minutes and 20 seconds. How many will I catch in 1 hour? I'm at 18. Oh man. $19, y'all. Small sunfish. 19. That's not all the way over. 19 and 22 minutes. 19 and 22 minutes. Yeah. 28. The warmouth are much easier to catch because they got big mouth. 28, warmouth. $32 minutes and 30 seconds. $30. Look at the bait. Look at the bait, YouTube. Falling apart. 33 minutes. 33 minutes. And 33 minutes. 30 and 33 minutes. 31. Another sunfish. Oh man, he got it all. Whew. Look at the bait. Look at the bait. 31. Go fish. Go fish. 32. Woo! Finally got an Oscar. 32. Oh man. Come on, buddy. You wasting time. You wasting my time. Oh, bro. You go. Oh man. Come on, bro. Oh yeah. 32. $35 minutes. I'm at 32, 35:43. 35:43. 32. Fish. All right. Warm out. Warm out. Warm out. All right. Warm out at 33. Good fit, good fit, good fit, good fit. Good fit. All right. Another Oscar. 35. 35. 35. Their mouth are rubbery. Their mouth are very rubbery. Very rubbery. 35. 35. At 39. Look how busted up this thing is. Look how busted up this is. $35 at 39. Look at this bait. 39. I don't even know what to do with it. Let me just 39. Let me just go through here and go through this part. All right, so we're at 39. 39. 39. 39 fish on the same bait. It's at 44 minutes. 39. We're at 44 minutes. Ah, man. Things falling apart. The round numbers are the hardest to catch. 40. Like, come on, 40. Come on, 40. Remember, 50 was the target. All right, man, he swallowed that. 40, warm out. 40, warm out. Oh, something went after him. Look at that. Something bit him. But look at the bait, bro. Look at the bait. There's nothing to wedge it in. So I'm at 40. The goal is 50 in 1 hour. It's 46 minutes. Oh no. Ooh. Thing came from my face. Oh man. To understand what's going on, you're gonna have to watch the last video. So I came to 75 and threw on a white bait, and the fish went crazy for the white bait. So I decided to come back out with a white bait today and see if it had the same success. But it's not the same bait. I had a curl tail, this is a paddle tail. And it's not the same design of a, this is like a fluke. Oh my God. 41. Oh, this is ridiculous. I know y'all don't want to get it to me. 41. Let me touch it. 41. Calm down, buddy. Something. 41. Goal is 50. I have 13 minutes. 41 catches. 41. Barely hanging on. Barely hanging on. Barely hanging on. I'm just gonna hook it like this. Now I'm gonna go through it twice. I'm gonna go through it here, loop it around, and go through it again. Yeah, so look how it look now. 41. Don't even look like a bait. 41. $42. We're not stopping because the bait's messed up. 42. We're trying to get 50. Look at that. Trying to get 50. Let's see. Trying to get to 50, y'all. Come on. 48 minutes. And we're at 42. All right, 43. All right, 43. 43. Look at this thing, man. Come on, man. 43. Look at this thing. See if y'all can find the alligator. There's an alligator close by spine. $44, warm out. 44, 44, warm out. Oh no, that's it. Oh. $54. I'm at 44, 54 minutes. Ah. Damn, man. 44. Man. Way to get stuck. Way to not be able to win. I needed 50. I can't even jig it. I can't even jig it because I think I'm going to jig it off the damn hook. $45. Come on, man, get up. 45, let's see. Maybe we can make a last second comeback. 45. Last second flash comeback. 55-26. I need 5. $46. Ooh, you can't make this up. Woo. 46. Come on, 4 more. Oh, come on, bro. 4 more. I need 4 more, 4 more. About 3 minutes and some change. One more. Oh my God. 4 more. Look how I messed up this thing. 4 more. 4 more. 4 more. 56, 30. Oh man, oh. Four more. I'm gonna take some chances on my cat. Get it right over there. 4 more. Damn. Look at this. 4 more. Come on. Oh my God, bro. 4 more. It's at 57-12. 57-12. Not gonna do it, man. Four more. Four more. 57-46. I need one on this guy. Got one. All right, 3 more. Come on, bro. 3 more. It's 5:58. Oh, look at this, y'all. Can't make this up, YouTube. The bait is gone. The bait is gone. Wait, let's stop the stopwatch. The bait is gone. 58-38 when I stopped it. And the bait is gone. The bait is gone. Oh my God. What I finished with, 47? 47 to 48? Oh my God, that white bait, that is the paddle tail, not even the curly tail. So yeah, hey, that thing crazy. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna put some worm on this for a few minutes and see. But y'all just stick and stay. Hold on, I'm gonna get some worms. Flip, go flip. Ooh, I think this is a spotted tilapia. I think this is oh no, it's a Mayan, big Mayan. Oh yeah, giant Mayan. Yeah, we gonna keep you. Nice Mayan cichlid right here. That's a good size Mayan right there. We're gonna throw that bad boy in the cooler. Gonna fillet him up. He's trying to get away, y'all. He's trying to get away. The water is way over there though. My bad, my boy. Oh, my bad though. Hey, crazy. I went to the Keys today and I don't even know why, you know? I don't even know why, because this is more fun. The drive to the Keys is painful, and the truth is this is more fun, catch more fish. But yeah, all right. Hey, listen, I consider myself the common man fisherman. Like, you know what I'm saying? I don't have a boat. You know what I'm saying? I go fishing to catch fish that I could eat. I'm not big on sport fishing where you just go catch big old fish and, you know, throw them back, you know? So I'm a common man fisherman. Like, you know, go out, catch something you can bring home and eat. You know what I'm saying? So that's how I look at myself. So right now I'm up on I-75, my favorite spot. Man, that I was actually gonna say before I caught that Mayan that I'm surprised I haven't caught a Mayan cichlid yet. And I hadn't caught a Mayan cichlid until I used the worms. That was a good size one. But yeah, man, I'm up here. I'm gonna actually go. It's really windy. I might not even. I might do the cook up. I might not. Oh, a bowfin. I see a bowfin. It's right down. Oh my God, I'm not gonna be able to get him though. We back in the building. Now we're gonna cook up. Do a quick cook up of the tilapia. All right, the spotted tilapia that I caught in the last video. All right. So here it is right here. I got some Louisiana fish fry, some Badia seasoning, some garlic powder, and some slap your mama seasoning on it. All right, with some Louisiana fish fry. All right. It's been sitting in the car all day. I have some bread. As well. I'm just gonna make a quick fish sandwich and keep that bad boy moving. Just a couple slices of bread. You know, I got some hot sauce to put on it, that's it. Hopefully, man, it's kind of windy. So I hope it doesn't blow this thing out. But we'll see, man. All right, quick cook up, man, just have a quick meal. All right, have a quick late lunch. Yes, sir. You know I'm at my favorite place, Alligator Alley. Hey, this is like a bathroom. I wonder what this is. You tell me. You know what I'm saying? You tell me. A lot of people come over here and pee, and they just pee right here. Probably take a dump. But you know what? I can't get mad at somebody if you're in a situation where, you know what I mean, like you've been on the road a long time and, you know, you can't hold it anymore. I can't get mad at you. So I get it. Yeah. All right. One of the fishing spots I fished at. I don't see any fish though. But yeah. Oh no, that's not my fish. I didn't have this much fish. Somebody came in and scaled some fish. That's not me. I didn't have no fish that big like that. Or that much. Yeah, man, see y'all in a minute. Spotted tilapia going in. All right. We'll give that a few minutes, about 3 minutes on each side, and call it a day. We want a little bit crispy, but not overdone. So yeah. Spotted tilapia. My hands are dirty. My hands are dirty, folks. Let's go. Tilapia sandwich. Tilapia sandwich. Well seasoned. Oh, a little bit of a mud taste. The bread negated a little bit. And the hot sauce negated too. Hey, I got a bone. Not bad though. I'm gonna talk about a quick meal. All right, might be a fish. Thing completely swallowed. To have it. All right, man, that's the end of another video. I appreciate y'all watching the video. Like, share, subscribe. Hey, get out of the house, baby. Get out. Do something. Don't have to be fishing. Anything. Move around. All right? I appreciate all the new subscribers, all the support I've been getting. See y'all in the next one. Your boy tired. Your boy tired. It's Sunday. I got to get home and get some rest. All right, let me clean this spot up. Should be a quick cleanup. Yeah.